everyone, and welcome back to Caribbeantan's channel. Today I'm going to be discussing with you the Caribbeantan Gradual Mousse. Now this is a product that I like to call chilled out holiday vibes, because of the fact that you can get such a natural looking tan with this product. You can build it up as well, but when I want to use a product just to make me feel a bit more alive, you know what I mean? You know when sometimes you just feel too dull in your skin and you just want that little bit of vibrant touch? This is the product right here. So if you're interested in finding out how this product works and how I apply it, then carry on watching. First and foremost, before applying any tan to the body, you know what it is, we have to prep the skin. Prepping the skin will ensure that you have the most even tan on your body, because we're getting rid of the dead skin cells. We're getting rid of all the little grimy bits on the body and making sure that we have a nice clean canvas to work on. So that is why 6 to 8 hours before I use the Caribbeantan exfoliator. Now this is the cinnamon and coconut exfoliator. It's so yum. I say it in every single video. It's so yum. It is yummy, yummy, yummy. It smells amazing and it just works super well on the body with getting rid of everything that you don't really necessarily want on the body. And then when I'm at the shower, nice and dry, I go and put on the Caribbeantan Milk and Honey Body Butter. This I put onto the dry points because you just want to ensure that the parts like your elbows, your ankles, your knees, your toes, your knuckles, everywhere where your body kind of in a sense feels more dry than other parts. We just want to give it a little bit of hydration. When we mean a little bit, I mean a little bit. So just a little bit of the body butter on these joints, rub it in, and we are ready to go. Now it's time to talk about this little one over here. So it's a gradual tan. What is gradual, Lauren? Gradual is that it builds over time. So if you're a busy person and you really want a tan, but you just don't have that time to be sitting around waiting for the tan to develop, and you want something to be on the body, quick and out the door and developing while you're doing whatever you're doing, let's say you're going to work or whatever it might be, then this is the product for you. So how it works is that it's a mousse consistency. Always use the trusty Caribbeantan mitt. Oh, other side. And how you work it is in circular motion. So I would advise that you need to understand a little bit about how to tan on the body, because of the fact that there is no indication with this product of where it's going. So you really got to make sure that you know, all right, I've gone there. And you can feel with the wet consistency of wherever it is on the body, and always in circular motions to get this product on. So this is perfect if you're a mom, if you're a busy working lady and you just want to put something on in the morning after your shower, put your work clothes on. You know why? Because it doesn't smell. It doesn't smell, nobody can see it. It's like you're going to work with a big secret. And then when you get home after work, you have a nice shower and boom, you are nice and tanned. Always say, use what's left over on your mitt. Put your hand into a claw so that you can get into all of your knuckles and apply it like that. So as you can see, completely see-through and completely dry. So now I'm going to apply it over my whole body. I'll show you guys the process and then we'll talk about what to do next. transparent. It is not sticky at all. So that means that I can carry on with my day now. First put something on and then carry on with my day. It is going to be the perfect soft tan. I didn't apply that much. As you can see, I put on just one layer, and I cannot wait to show you guys the end result. So it's probably going to be in like 2 seconds for you, but it's going to be 8 hours for me. So let's go. And this is the final result. As I mentioned, the mousse is a super touch. Like I said, it is like Sunday vibes. I just want to look healthy. I just want to look like I'm alive, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I absolutely love the mousse. That is my go-to for natural looking tan, and I absolutely love it. So many people love the mousse because of the fact that you can put it on, dries, you cannot see it, and then you put your clothes on. Nobody knows your secret during the day. You come home, shower, and you look alive. But that is it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.